A custom holding can be built and used as a proxy for an investment that is not tracked in the fi360 toolkit, for example a stock or a bond. To create a custom holding, we can use the custom holdings directory link on the right hand side of the client holdings page, or go to settings, user settings, custom holdings directory from the menu bar at the top of the page. If we jump into the custom holdings directory, we can view the list of investments that are stored under our Toolkit account. If we want to add an investment to our client, we can use the checkbox to select the investment and then click the Add button on the right hand side of the page to add the investment to our client. To create a custom holding, we can go back into the holdings directory and create a new custom holding on the right hand side of the page. We'll give the holding a name and select a peer group for the investment. Once we click on the Create button, the new investment will be stored in the system, and we can click on the investment name to begin to add relevant data into the toolkit for this investment. We can click on the period to pull up the window where we can enter information and enter information into the system. This information is not required, but it is helpful when displaying the custom holding in the fi360 reports. Once the information has been stored in the system, again this information will flow through into the reporting in the toolkit. As the fi360 data gets updated each period, you will also have to go into the custom holdings directory and add a new data period into the system for the custom holding. To add a new data period or to build a historical data period in the system, we can click on the Add button on the right hand side, select the period that we would like to build, and we can start from scratch and build the new period or copy existing data that we've already stored in the system. Once we've created the new period for the new data period in the toolkit or created the historical period, we can jump back in, update the data, and then that information will be stored and used for reports for that period for every client that holds that investment.